really come on here looking like a crackhead every time, but y'all already know how I do. So yeah, I wanted to do a little transformation kind of video because I basically need her hair done, and New York is in phase 3, so I could go get my hair done, and I'm gonna wear my mask, and she gonna wear her mask. But I need my hair done, and I'm just tired of looking like a bum. Like, a little slick back was cute for the time being, but it's time for me to get my hair braided. So I'm getting knotless, what do they call it? Knotless braids, box braids. I was totally against them before, but they really look cute on a lot of people. So I'm gonna try it. The reason why I was against it is because I got some thick ass roots, and I'm like, all my roots gonna stay flat. So we're gonna have an update on that, but I want to see if they're gonna stay flat, and I just need my hair done. So yeah, I'm about to I pre-pooled my hair with some coconut oil, just so it won't be super hard to comb through and detangle in the shower. And yeah, I'm gonna wash my hair. My hair appointment is tomorrow, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So y'all gonna come along, duh. So guys, I'm in bed, but I didn't show you guys my hair blow dried. I don't know if you wanted to see it, but this is my hair, y'all. My hair is really thin. I'm trying to get it to be thick again. If you guys have any like suggestions on how to get my neighbors just be stomping like fucking animals. Oh my god, like y'all probably heard them in my last video, but yeah, if you guys have any suggestions on oils or anything that can like thicken my hair, or any like routine, my father's talking so loud too, any kind of routine I could use for my hair, please let me know. But this is just how it looks when it's dry. And I'm just sitting here on my MacBook Pro that I'm so happy I got, and yeah, I'm just on the recommended page, and this is usually how my shit look. I look up random shit, but recently I've been watching like apartment tours and stuff like that, people's apartments in New York City, because I'm heavy on the want to move out. So yeah, but like this all type of like shit, I don't know. And I watch a lot of what do you call it, a lot of web series, because the web series be better than TV. But I recently just watched, let me see if I can find it, Noah's Ark Rona Chronicles. If y'all watch Noah's Ark, please let me know down in the comments, because this is my show. I watched it back in the day when it was actually on TV, and I watched the movie, of course, and they just did like a little web episode on the what's the creators, Patrick Ian Polk's channel, and it was so good, y'all. Like, I love the way that they did it, like how the characters developed, how they are doing in quarantine. Can't talk. How they doing in quarantine. I just loved it. So if you guys didn't watch it, I suggest you watch it. If you didn't watch the actual series, watch the series first, then watch the movie, then watch this, because you ain't gonna know what's going on, girl. Okay? Okay. Hey guys, I'm back home. I didn't put this damn bonnet on before I showed you guys my hair, but I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. But yeah, yeah, I got this long, y'all see my bonnet? Y'all see how long this shit is? Yeah, I got it off of Amazon, and it's made for like long braids, long locks, and anything else, I guess. So yeah, it was a little expensive for a bonnet to me. It was like $20. I'm not used to bonnets being that much. Like, I'll give me a black $5 bonnet in a minute. I ain't paying no motherfucking $25-$30 for a bonnet, but I definitely did for this. But that's because it's for long braids and stuff. But Y'all, let me tell y'all how I caught myself making some jerk chicken. Excuse my neighbors, they blasting music, but I caught myself making some jerk chicken, and why I low-key burnt this shit. But it tastes good. It's just a little burnt. Listen, don't laugh at my chicken, okay? And plus, I was on the phone, but you should never be just talking on the phone while you're making food. But listen, it was still good though. It tastes good. So, yeah. Don't judge my chicken, y'all. Yeah, this is my hair. I didn't even show y'all. Hold on a second. So yeah, they are kind of long. They're like a little above my butt. And yeah, I got the medium size. I don't know if you want to call this medium or small, but yeah, I'm not used to them because they so light, and I feel like my head is not full. Like I feel bald headed a little bit, and it's bothering me because I'm used to jumbo braids. Like I'm really a jumbo braids type of bitch. But I don't know, y'all. I gotta style it or something. Like this is giving very much bald head. I don't know. Let me see something. Okay, this is how it looks to the side. It just still look bald to me. Like I don't look bald, y'all. Like I don't know what it is. Like I said, I'm used to jumbo braids, but I'm gonna try and style it real quick and see something other than this. All right, so I did this little cute little style just with 2 little ponytails in the front, and I'm probably gonna wear them as buns. Oh shit, I didn't even get all the hair right here, but y'all get the gist. Yeah, I'm just show y'all with some buns. I would probably wear it like this. I mean, the ponytails ain't really proportioned, but I'm about to go to bed, so I'm not really about to go in and make them all even and shit. But let me just show y'all the buns real quick. All right, so this is roughly how it would look, but this is mad cute. Like I would really wear my hair like this. Like, bitch, what? Hey, you guys. Today is the next day. And like I said, this is how I'm wearing my hair today. And it looks so cute. It looks so cute. I wish I could show you my outfit, but my light in my hallway ain't working. It's not that it's not working. I don't have a light bulb. So I can't show y'all overall outfit. But I'm going to try. So this is the shirt that I have on. It just says Money Talks, Fashion Over. You'll probably see this in the haul. I got these pleather, because they ain't nobody leather, pleather pants on with my, can you see that? With some Air Force Ones, and that is the outfit for real. I don't know if y'all really could see that, but if y'all didn't, I'll take some pictures later. But my hair looks cute, I look cute, and I'm wearing these shades to make everything look red, and they are so cute. I was in a bad mood today, but I'm about to get in a good ass mood because people get the fuck on my nerves, you know. But I feel cute, I look cute, and yeah, I'm about to go out with my best friend. Not go out, but I'm about to go to her house, and then we might go to this barbecue. I don't know, but of course, if we do, I'll let you guys know. But I look really cute. I love these clothes. These things, sir. Oh, this is copyrighted written music. I can't play this in there. But I'm here at Jasmine's house.
Oh, hey, y'all.
Y'all haven't seen her in a while.
Face my Yoko. Or whatever.
Period. Hi, you guys. I'm at work. Yesterday was Monday. I didn't really do anything except for go to the post office, and I didn't vlog because I didn't think it was like a vloggy type of thing. So yeah, when I was over at my best friend's house, we just went out to go see a couple of friends, whatever, like 2 friends, and it was cool. Like we was vibing, you know, whatever, and we got into talking about you know, music and stuff. We were talking about the verses. Like they were saying that Usher and Chris Brown might be going up against each other or whatever, and we were just talking about like who we think will win. I'm biased because I love me some Usher. So matter of fact, Usher was the first concert I've ever been to. I was like maybe like 10 or 11 years old, and my mom took me. It was the A701 concert, and I just fell in love with Usher after that. So even though I love Chris Brown, but I just think Chris Brown learned, well, not everything, but like Usher is like one of his mentors or whatever, besides like Michael Jackson. And I just feel like Usher is just the tier to me. I like Usher. Not Usher. I like Chris Brown. Chris Brown got mad hits, I'm not gonna lie. But I feel like Usher could really kill Chris Brown with like 3 albums. And I know Chris Brown got like going on 9 studio albums or 10 studio albums, but it's like, how many quality albums does he have, like overall albums, like the entire album? And I think just that his debut album is like his staple album, but all his other albums, like Exclusive was good too, but his albums after that, it's like they had singles on there, but like whole albums, they wasn't like fucking with Usher, in my opinion. But it was a chill ass night. We was vibing. I had a good time. Yeah, that was my weekend. Like I said, yesterday I just went to the post office, and that was really it. I didn't do anything. I watched The Chi. Do y'all like The Chi? I am so invested in that show. Like, these last episodes have really been just really fucking with my anxiety, especially this last episode. I'm not gonna spoil it because I don't know if anybody that subscribes to me watches it, but like that last episode, oh my gosh, it's just, the writing is so good. I know Lena Waithe is she's the creator of the show, but I don't know who else writes for the show. But listen, let me tell you, them people that write for that show, they are gifted, because that shit be having me on edge. And I love a show that really show real shit, and I could appreciate that. So if y'all haven't watched The Chi, watch it. If you have watched The Chi, like this video, and also comment down below who's your favorite characters on the show. Personally, my favorite character is Papa because he just brings that comedic lightness to the show that we really need, because the show is kind of heavy, but it's just so funny. I like all the kids. Like, I like Papa, I like Kevin, I like Jake, even though Jake be like doing the most sometimes. But yeah, and what's his name, Duda? That motherfucker getting on my nerves on that show. He getting on my motherfucking nerves. That's all I'm gonna say about that. I love Emmett. Emmett just remind me of so many niggas that I know, with all his baby mothers and his baby mama drama, all type of shit. Like, it's just so funny. But like I said, if you haven't watched it, you should watch it. Right now, I'm about to eat me some pizza. I got me some pizza and some garlic knots. These garlic knots, look how big these freaking garlic knots are. Oh, this shit is hot. Look how big this garlic knot is. This shit is so huge. This is hot. It's so good. It's so good. So good. Whew. Well, yeah, I'm just gonna eat my lunch, you guys. And then when my student wakes up, we're gonna play some more or whatever. If you didn't know, I'm a preschool teacher, so I'm just working at his home right now, but he's asleep. So yeah, we just came from outside. He was like in the sprinklers in the water and stuff. Then I had to, like, you know, clean him up, dry him or whatever. He just had lunch, and now he's sleeping. And he'll probably be asleep for like the next 2 or 3 hours. So I'm free to do whatever I want, for real. We're gonna play, and I'm gone. Okay, you guys, don't mind my fan, but I just had a little haul. I mean, I didn't film it, but like, I had a little Amazon haul. But I bought this selfie stick. Like, do you call it a selfie stick, or what is this shit called? This is a cell phone tablet stand. That's what it is. And I saw Jaclyn Hill talk about this, and I was like, bitch, I'm gonna get me one, because yo, y'all should see the setup that I have when I film my videos. Like, it'd be ridiculous. So I bought a stand. Then I just bought a little wireless speaker, because me and my friends are having a picnic and I needed one. And I bought an eco-friendly picnic blanket. I didn't open it yet because I don't know if it's gonna fold back the way it is. And it's so cute and like neatly packaged. I might open it, I don't know. And I just got this little laptop sleeve, because my MacBook needed a laptop sleeve. And it came with this too. So that's my little haul right now, and I'm excited for my picnic with my friends because them been my bitches for 14 years. So yeah, now I'm about to do what I do. Okay, clean all this shit up and then get to it. All right, guys.